We'll guide you through how to make fade-out text in CapCut. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch the Windows Start menu on your computer and look up CapCut in the Windows search bar. Start the CapCut program from the search results and wait for the editor to finish loading before continuing. Create a new project or open one that you have already been working on, depending on your needs. Bring your video into the project if it has not been added yet. Then drop the video clip onto the timeline so it is ready for editing. Navigate to the text section in the top toolbar to access the available text tools. Create a new text layer by selecting Add Text. Then type the text that you want to display in your video. Format the text by changing its font style, size, color, and screen location until it matches the appearance you want. Select the text clip on the timeline to display its editing controls and make sure it is ready for animation. Access the animation menu from the editing panel to view the available animation options. Change to the Out tab to display the exit animation presets that can be applied to your text. Pick either the fade out or fade animation, depending on which option is available in your version of CapCut. Once the animation has been applied, control how long the fade lasts by adjusting the animation duration until it matches the timing of your project. Use the preview window to watch the text gradually disappear from the screen and observe how it blends with the surrounding video. Continue previewing the effect after each adjustment to make sure the transition remains consistent throughout the clip. If necessary, make additional adjustments to the animation timing or text formatting until everything looks the way you want. Once you are satisfied with the completed effect, store your edits by saving the project so all of your changes remain available.